Good day, everyone. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself. My name is Angel Vigorospe from E2C. Hope you enjoy this presentation and learn something. Alright, so today we'll exploring the various influence of development and social cultural dimension of learning. We'll covering a parental involvement, parenting style and child rearing, revision for specific experiences at home, peer influence, and teachers. So let's start with parental involvement. What is parental involvement? So, parental involvement plays a big role in child's learning. When parents support and guide their children, students become more confident and motivated. Simple action like helping with homework, attending school events, or encouraging them to study can improve their performance. Children with supportive parents usually do better in school and have a positive attitude towards learning, and that's the parental involvement, followed by parenting style and child rearing. So, what is parenting style and child rearing? Parenting style affects how child behaves and learns. For example, authoritative parents or strict but loving help children become more responsible and independent. And permissive parents or too lenient may cause children to lack discipline. While authoritarian parents or too strict can make children afraid to express themselves. A balanced parenting style helps children grow with confidence and respect. That's the parenting style and child rearing. So for the third slide, provisions for specific experiences at home. The environment at home also influenced learning when parents provide books, educational toys, or time for reading and study. Children develop curiosity and good study habits. Even simple activities like storytelling or doing chores can teach children important life skills. A supportive, a supportive home environment helps children develop both academically and emotionally, and that's under with provisions for specific experiences at home. So next, peer influence. So let's dive in. What is peer influence? Peers have a strong impact on learning and behavior. Good friends can inspire and motivate each other to do well in school. However, negative peer pressure can lead to bad habits or distractions. So it's important for students to choose friends who encourage them to do their best and stay focused on their goals. And that's the peer influence. And last, teachers. Teachers plays an important role in shaping students' learning experiences. A good teacher doesn't just teach lesson, but also guides, motivates, and supports students. When teachers show care and patience, students feel more confident and engaged. Teacher helps students discover their strength and reach their full potential. Alright, so that's all for influence on development and social cultural dimensions of learning. So let's move to my reflection. While doing this research, I learned that learning is not only about what happened in school, it is also shaped by our parents, friends, home, and teachers. Everyone around us influence how we grow, think, and behave. I realized that having a good support system helps students become better learners and better people. It made me appreciate my parents, teachers, and friends even more for being part of my learning journey. And that's for the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening, everyone. Bye.